Hello guys, now let us discuss question 24. The question is, let B be the set of points where the function fx is equal to 2 minus modulus of x minus 3, where x belongs to R, real numbers, is not differentiable. Then the value of sigma x belongs to S, f of x is equal to. So now let us solve this question. So here the answer is 3. So first of all, let us know the function. The function is fx2 modulus of 2 minus modulus x minus 3. So from this we get that the diagram goes like this, and the points on the x are 1, 3 and 5. So there will be 3 points, x is equal to 1, 3 and 5, as we discussed from the diagram we made by the given function. Which is at which fx is non-differentiable, because we know x is equal to 0, the function is non-differentiable. So f of f1 plus f of f3 plus f of f5 is equal to f of f0 plus f2 plus f0, so which is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now here we get f of 0 by using the function that is given to us, that is the modulus of 2 minus x minus 3, and putting the value of x here we get 0. By putting the value of x is equal to 3 we get 2. By putting the value of x is equal to 5 we get 0. Now we know that, now again by putting the value of 0, 2 and 0 we get 1, 1 and 1. Now adding 1, 1, 1 we get 3. So the answer is 3. Thank you. Hope you understood.